Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing and forcing a restart to clear transient faults. First, make sure the remote has some charge. Connect a lightning cable or swap the CR2032 now. Once done, press and hold the menu and volume up buttons together for about 10 seconds to force a restart. This resets the remote's interface without erasing pairings. While it reboots, keep the remote aimed at the Apple TV and remove any barriers, because infrared and Bluetooth both need a clear line to negotiate a fresh connection. Next, you repair and ensure firmware is current so the remote and box speak the same language. To pair, hold the / menu and volume up buttons until you see the on-screen pairing prompt. Follow the countdown and confirm. Then make sure your Apple TV software is up to date. Go to Settings, System, Software Updates, and apply any required updates. If pairing still fails, try controlling the Apple TV with an iPhone remote or a different Siri remote to determine whether the issue is with hardware or with the TV's Bluetooth stack. Finish by addressing hardware-level fixes and validating results. If the remote remains flaky, unpair it under Settings, Remotes and Devices, Bluetooth, then repair from scratch. This clears corrupted links. For the older IR/CR2032 style, replace the battery. For the rechargeable model, give it a 30+ minute charge and retry. Make sure to test range and button responsiveness from different angles. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent issues persist, power cycle the Apple TV and test a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.